In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and post manual journals in Xero. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with Xero's accounting software, knowing how to efficiently manage your journal entries can make a big difference in keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. Let's start by navigating to where this action begins. First, you need to click on the plus icon located at the top right of your screen. This icon is your gateway to a myriad of options within Xero, and among these options, you'll want to select Manual Journal. This selection is crucial, as it opens up the template you'll be using to enter the necessary details of your journal entry. At this stage, you're ready to input the details of your journal entry. This part is all about precision and accuracy, so take your time and make sure all the information you provide is correct. You'll need to enter specific data about the transaction you're recording, including but not limited to the accounts involved, amounts, and possibly a description to provide context to the entry. Getting the data right here ensures less hassle later when you need to refer back to these records. Once you have your journal entry completed, you might want to take a look at how it integrates into your overall financial records. To do this, you'll want to head over to the Reporting section, easily found at the top of the Xero interface. This area gives you a comprehensive view of all the financial metrics you need. Click on All Reports to access the diverse array of reports Xero offers. From the list of reports available, look for the Journal Report. Clicking on this report will open up a detailed listing of all your journal entries, giving you a clear and organized view of your financial transactions. This is where you can verify that the entry you created is stored correctly, and it will be particularly helpful when you're auditing your records or preparing for financial reviews. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can efficiently create and post manual journals in Xero, ensuring your financial data remains accurate and easily accessible. Remember, managing journal entries is an ongoing process. And regularly checking your reports helps maintain the integrity of your financial reporting. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this video has helped simplify the process for you. Continue exploring Xero to find other features that can streamline your accounting tasks.